Hi Standard 5, how are you? Are you ready for your next art lesson? Okay, for your art lesson today, you need to prepare your drawing block or your drawing book or any sketch papers or white papers that you want to use. And you also need your crayons, your watercolors, and also your brushes, as well as your pencils and your rubber. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, if you have read through your lesson overview for today, you are going to draw and paint and create textures of plants or vegetables underground. Okay, you have to imagine that you are doing a cross sections of the ground, and then you are able to see the plants or the vegetable underground, like the beetroot, the celeries, the carrots, potatoes, parsnips, and many other vegetables. Okay, each of these vegetables and also plants have different textures on them. Okay, we are going to see what textures can we use on those plants, and then we are going to use lots of imaginations, lots of different colors, and also interesting textures today. I hope you are ready with your art supplies. Let's get started. Okay, as I told you just now, imagine that you are cross-sectioning or you are cutting through a ground or a soil where you are planting some plants over there. So imagine that you are looking through the underground, and then you can see the textures of those plants. Okay, as if you are looking at fishes outside of an aquarium. Okay, you can start with your pencil first. Right. Okay, now we are going to do let's see what we can do. Oh, maybe what do you think of a carrot? Okay, let's start with the carrot first. Okay, I'm going to use a landscape over here. So just imagine this is the I'm going to put it half. Okay, the first part over here is the top of the soil, and this one is underground. Okay, so this is your carrot. Just draw your carrot first. Can you see it? Okay, I'm going to make it nearer so that you can see. Okay, right, so this is your carrot leaf. Okay, just draw it first, and then after that you can draw something like this. Okay, and then one going this way. Okay, so that's your carrot leaf going downward. Okay, until it meets your carrot. Okay, this is your carrot. Just draw your carrot over there, and then okay, all right. So the textures, you can do it now or you can do it later, that is up to you. Okay, the texture is somewhat like this, right? It looks like a little bit like this. Okay, right, so that is your carrot. And next one, we are going to draw other plants also, and also other vegetable. Beetroot. Have you tried beetroot before? Oh, let me move this first. Okay, so beetroot is a purplish or reddish maroon colored vegetable. Okay, people usually use it in salad. So let's start with the body of the plant first, or the stalk of the beetroot. Yeah, and then another one going this way, or it should be smaller. Yeah, make it smaller. Alright, okay, and then your beetroot flower, or sorry, beetroot leaf, and another leaf over here. It looks a little bit like a what a cloud. Okay, then you can do the vein like this. Alright, and the beetroot itself, it looks a little bit like potato, but it has a round sharp tip over here. Okay, so that's your beetroot, and then the shape is also a little bit like potato. Okay, and you can put some dots on it also. Okay, next one, maybe a parsley or a celery. Okay, do you like celery? Have you tried celery before? Okay, let's draw the body of the celery first. Celery has some nice flavor. If you put it in your chicken soup, it tastes really good, you know. Okay, your celery leaf. Okay, well, you can put more leaf if you want to. Okay, and then it has something over here, so just put the texture on it. Okay, now let's go to the next one, which is the potato. Okay, so potato are this plant is it we can say it trails on the ground, so maybe we can put the vein something like this going upward, and then one more vein going this way, a smaller one maybe. Okay, then this is the other vein just now. Okay, one more smaller vein this side. Okay, and one big potato over here, and one small potato over here. Okay, and another one potato over here. Alright, so what is the shape of those potatoes? What are the textures of the potato? They don't have any distinctive textures other than the color, and you can say that it looks rough. Sometimes it's rough, right? So you can put this kind of textures on it. Just put some random lines over there. Okay, and then some dots to show that maybe there are few roots coming out from your potato. Okay, now your potato leaf. Okay, draw the leaf. Okay, alright, so this is your potato leaf all the way upwards. Okay. Have you tried potato leaf before? Or sweet potato leaf? They taste really good. Okay, so that's it. This is our underground, and this is the on top of the soil. You can draw some animals over there if you want to. Okay, or some insects flying over. Okay, I'm going to speed up this one, and then later on also I will trace the line again by using crayon, and then we will start with our textures. Okay, so as you can see here, there are lots of textures going on in this artwork. Okay, you can put more textures if you want to. I'm not using any rubbing technique today, but instead of using rubbing technique, I'm going to use patterns and also lines for the textures. Okay, so let's next steps is that we need to paint on this drawing here. Don't use too much watercolor. um, make it a little watery so that it doesn't cover the crayon texture later on. Okay, let's start. Okay, so the top of this soil over here later on that I have sectioned out here is a little lighter than the lower soil later on. That is why they have two different colors, but make sure the color is nicely transition into each other so it doesn't look too contrastive. Okay. Okay, standard 5. So this is the end result for your artwork today later. Okay, so as you can see here, I have also used shadow technique over here. Okay, I put a darker color at the sides of these vegetable and plants to make it look more 3D, and there is a depth in your painting. Okay, and also I put some textures in the ground by using crayon. I put dots and also I line with white crayons. Okay, as well as the sky. As you can see here, I also line the clouds by using white crayons before I paint on it just now. Okay, alright, so this is the end of this video. Okay, you may start with your artwork now. See you next week. Bye.